Wow, so delicious and yet very quick to prepare. This is our Hara bhara prawns. So guys, welcome and let's see the recipe. So the very first thing we are going to take here ginger, some garlic cloves, and then let's add up some coriander, green coriander. And then let's add up some zira. Now this is the wet coconut, it's not the dry one. I'm using this wet coconut here. Let's add up some turmeric, 2 to 3 green chilies, and make a fine paste. Now let's take a pan and add in some oil to it. And then let's add the paste. So here we are not using anything else but except the green, the fresh coriander, which is going to give us the best taste. So that is why we call this Hara bhara prawns curry. So we'll ensure that this paste is nicely cooked. Cook it on a low flame for a minute or two. And after a minute or two, you can see that oil is separated. Wow, so beautiful. The best smell, aroma, beautiful here. So here I have taken prawns, nicely cleaned. Now let's add up these beautiful prawns and give it a nice mix. And as you know, the prawns do not take a lot of time to cook. So at the low flame, we will nicely mix it. And now let it cook for a minute or two. Now after a minute or two, then let's add up some red chili powder, some garam masala, and some coriander powder and salt as per taste. Now give it a nice mix. And now, according to you, however you want the gravy, check for the consistency and add water. I prefer not to add water because I love this gravy to be nice and thick. So just go ahead and cook it for a minute or two, and then you will get the best prawn curry ever. So quick, and it tastes so delicious. I insist you definitely try this out and do leave us a comment. So till next video, take care.